In this tutorial, we will differentiate or differentiation of parametric function. We will discuss how to find out the derivative of parametric function. So first of all, some discussion about this parametric function. Sometime x and y are given as a function of single variable. Suppose x equal to phi of t and y equal to psi of t. So are two functions of single variable. In such cases x and y are called parametric function or parametric equation, and t is called parameter. To find dy dx of parametric function, we first find the relationship between x and y by eliminating the parameter t. But it is not convenient to find or eliminate the parameters always. So we can find dy dx by using this identity dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. So let's take some example. Suppose x equal to sine t and y equal to cos t. So first of this is x and y, these are the two parametric equation and t is the parameter. So first of all find dx upon dt, that is cos t, dy upon dt, it is minus sin t. So what is dy dx? Then dy dx equal to dy upon dt dx upon dt. So here is t. So dy upon dt, that is minus sin t upon cos t, that is minus tan t. We take one more example of the same parametric function. So the function is second example. I am taking second example here. X equal to a sec cube theta and y equal to tan cube theta. Find dy dx at theta equal to pi by 3. So similarly, first of all find dx upon d theta. Here theta is the parameter. So here a is constant, it remains same. Secant cube theta, that is the derivative of secant cube theta is 3 secant square theta, and derivative of secant theta is secant theta tan theta, secant theta tan theta. So it become 3a secant cube theta tan theta. So other one is, so what is y here? Y is tan cube theta. So dy d theta tan cube theta. So this is 3 tan square theta and derivative of tan theta, that is secant square theta. So what is dy dx? So dy dx equal to dy upon d theta whole upon dx upon d theta. So what is dy d theta? 3 tan square theta secant square theta upon 3 a sec cube theta upon, this is tan theta, 3 tan square theta sec square theta 3a tan square theta. जो डिडक्ट हो सकता है काट दीजिए. Now secant square, this is secant theta, tan, this is tan theta. So we are left with tan theta upon sec theta, and a is also there. So my question is, find dy dx at theta equal to pi by 3. So put pi by 3 here. Tan pi by 3 a tan or sec pi by 3. So what is tan pi by 3? Tan pi by 3 means tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3. And sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is 60, that is 2. And a is there. So this is the differentiation of this parametric function. So this x equal to this and y equal to this.